wala tayong solving ngayon, medyo hindi sasakit ang ating mga, ang inyong mga ulo for today's lesson. So we are going to define and differentiate between what is rational function, equation, and inequalities. Okay, so that would be our lesson number 6. Okay, nakikita ba yung nasa screen ko?
Yes po, nasa title pa rin po, ma'am.
Nasa title pa rin. Okay. And how about yung audio ko? Clear naman po ba?
Opo.
Okay, thank you. Ayun. So, by the way, next week hindi pa natin midterm examination. Next week hindi pa po natin midterm examination. So, hindi kayo makakasabay sa midterm week next week. Kasi 'di ba ang schedule dapat ng midterm week would be next week. Okay? So, since kailangan natin tapusin hanggang lesson number 7 para makover pa natin yun sa ating midterm examination. So, definitely hindi na aabot yung midterm examination sa face-to-face class natin since yung midterm examination nyo would be last week of October. Last week of October yung yung inyong midterm examination sa GenMath. Okay? So, 1 to 60 lang naman yung ating midterm examination. And since wala naman na kayong siguro makakasabayan sa last week ng October ng midterm, so yung inyong time interval for you to be able to answer or finish your midterm examination is from 7:30 up to 11:30. So you have 4 hours to answer your midterm examination. That would be your time limit. Okay? Ayun lang naman. Ayan. So, start na tayo, since 7:43 na. So, we are going to discuss now rational functions, equation, and inequality. Okay, but before that, let's have a review what is a rational expression before we discuss further what is rational equation, inequality, and function. So, what is a rational expression? So, paibasa naman ng what is a rational expression, anyone? Let's have okay. Angel, Kate.
A rational expression is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials.
Okay, thank you. So sabi, a rational expression is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. Okay, so it means to say that when it comes to rational expression, it must be consist of a polynomial terms. Kapag sinabi natin polynomial terms, meron tayong first term, second term, third term, so on and so forth. So that can identify that the given expression is a rational expression kapag meron siyang or it can be written as a ratio of two polynomial. Kapag sinabi natin ratio of two polynomial, it can be written as a fractional polynomial, yung gaya ng mga given example natin last meeting. Okay, yung gaya ng sa division on function that is considered as a rational expression since it is written as a ratio of two polynomial. We have a numerator of a polynomial consists of polynomial equation and a denominator consists of also a polynomial equation. So, masasabi natin siya na rational expression. How about this one? Pakibasa naman, ayun. Emplamado.
A rational expressions can be described as functions where either the numerator, denominator, both have variable in it.
Okay, that's correct. So thank you, Emplamado. Sabi, a rational expression can be described as a function where either the numerator, denominator, or both have a variable on it. So pwede tayo, di ba meron tayong have different kinds of or representative or to represent a variable. So we have A, B, C, D, so on and so forth. But the most popular variable that we are using is a, X, and Y variable. So pwede natin na ang numerator natin and denominator consists of a variable with different degree of exponent. So we can also discover that or describe that or identify that as a rational expression. And also, first things first, lagi niyong tatandaan na masasabi natin that the given example is a rational expression kapag wala siyang negative exponent. Okay? Hindi natin siya ma-identify na rational expression dahil yung kanyang exponent is have a negative sign. So, hindi siya natin masasabi na rational expression siya kasi yung given example is a or have a negative exponent. Isa pa, meron siyang radical sign. Again, hindi niyo masasabi or hindi siya matatawag na rational expression kapag ang exponent is negative sign or have a negative sign and also under siya ng or nagko-consist ang ating polynomial ng radical sign. Ano nga ba yung radical sign natin? That is a square root. Okay, ay lang naman yung lagi yung tatandaan na dapat ang rational expression ay walang negative exponent and wala ring square root. Okay, para matawag natin siyang rational expression. Okay, so we have here different example of a rational expression. We have 2 over x. So this is an example of a ratio of 2 polynomial. Matatawag pa rin natin siyang polynomial since yung ating numerator have a one term or monomial, same with the denominator, ang tawag pa rin dyan ay monomial since one term pa rin siya, no? So 2 over x is an example of a rational expression. Okay, another example, we have x squared plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 1. Okay, so under pa rin siya ng ratio of 2 polynomial. Polynomial na nasa ating numerator, polynomial pa rin yung ating denominator. And wala pa rin naman kayong nakikitang negative exponent, so therefore we can identify that this example is a rational expression. Okay, since positive ang kanyang exponent. The example, we have 5 over x minus 3. So, rational expression pa rin siya, no? And last one, ayun. Ay lang naman yung mga ating example ng rational expression. Basta wala lang siyang negative exponent and radical sign or square root. Rational expression siya. Ay lang yung lagi niyong tatandaan. Okay? For this one, ayan, sabi, you need to identify the following algebraic expression if they are rational expression or not. Okay? Magtatawag tayo ha. You're just going to identify if the given algebraic expression or equation is a rational expression or not. Ayan, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x plus 4. Anyone? O, Piamonte.
Not po.
O, not? Sure?
Opo.
Bakit not?
May squared po eh.
May squared. Kanina sa ating dito, may squared din to. Pero rational expression pa rin siya. Anyone? Try. Bergantinos?
Rational po.
Okay, bakit rational? Kasi?
Wala pong negative sign.
Okay, that's correct.
Exponent
Walang negative exponent. Ayun. Okay, so since walang negative exponent and walang radical sign, therefore, this is a rational expression. Next, how about this one? We have 1 over 3x squared. Anyone? Turingan? Rational or not? Okay, that's correct. Rational expression. Bakit?
Wala po siyang negative sign.
Okay, walang negative sign yung ating exponent. Ano, positive ba rin? How about this one? We have x squared plus 4x minus 3. O, Narkita.
Not po, kasi po meron po siyang negative exponent.
Asan ang negative exponent?
Ay, hindi po pala, ma'am.
Okay, rational expression or not?
Rational po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational expression. Okay, next. How about this one? We have square root of x plus 1 over x cubed minus 1. Anyone? Okay, let's have Kamba.
Not po, ma'am.
Okay, bakit not?
May square root po kasi.
Sign that they are not equal, or yung expression daw niya or yung equation is not unequal. So ano nga ba yung mga sign na that the equation is not unequal? So we have less than sign, tama? Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga sign na nag-express that the given equation is not equal? Ano pa? Aside kay less than. Anyone? Uy.
Greater than po.
Okay, that's correct. Greater than. Ano pa?
Equal.
Sabi nga hindi nakasama si equal kasi under siya ng rational equality equation.
Not equal po.
Not equal, that's correct. Ano pa? Tatlo lang. Ano pa? Greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So we have here the given example. So we have 5 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2 over x. Okay? And based din sa given equation, syempre hindi naman talaga equal si 5 over x minus 3 kay 2 over x. But 5 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2 over x. Okay? So ito pa yung mga sign gaya ng sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Inequality, ibig sabihin, the given rational expression is not equal. Okay? So ano pa ba nga yung mga sign na nagsasabi na that the given rational expression is not equal? Okay? So I have here greater than or equals to, greater than sign, less than sign, or yung not equal sign, hindi ko pala nasama. Okay? Ayan yung mga sign that the given rational expression is a rational inequality. From the word itself, inequality. Ibig sabihin, they are not equal. So therefore, you are going to use an inequality signs, which are again, greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Yan lang ang mga sign na makikita nyo under the rational inequality. Okay? Ayan. Next. We have here the rational function. So kapag sinabi nating rational function, sabi, it is a function of the form f of x is equals to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial function. And q of x is not the zero function, or q of x is not equals to 0. Bakit dapat daw that the q of x is not equals to 0? So sabi, based dito sa given equation, q of x is a denominator. So kapag 0 ang ating denominator, ano nga ibig sabihin nun? Kapag 0 ang ating denominator, ano ibig sabihin nun? Undefined. Okay, kapag 0 ang ating denominator, it means to say undefined. How about kapag 0 ang ating numerator, itong p of x? Pag 0 siya, ano ibig sabihin nun? That is equals to? Uy. 0 pa rin. Again, kapag ang denominator natin is equals to 0, ang tawag doon ay undefined. Kapag ang numerator naman natin ay 0, that is equals to 0. Okay? But under the rule of rational function or a function, hindi dapat magiging equals to 0 ang ating denominator. denominator. Bawal na bawal po yun. Okay? So what are the example of a rational function? So we have here f of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 1. Ma'am, bakit may equal sign? Dapat under siya ng rational equation. It's because of the f of x. Again, gaya ng mga sinusolve natin ng mga nakaraang, ano ba yan, under the evaluation of a function. F of x stands for a function. Okay, ibig sabihin, you are going to find the solution for the given function of a equation. So, ibig sabihin or hindi ibig sabihin na may equal sign, that is already under the rational equation. Lagi niyong titingnan kung if it is a f of x or y is equals to f of x or is equals to. Kasi f of x is also finding the value of y. Finding the value of y is also finding the value of f of x. So kapag meron kayong nakitang f of x, then merong equal sign, automatically, that is an example of a rational function. Kung wala naman kayong nakitang f of x or y is equals to, therefore, that is under the rational equation since meron nga equal sign. Okay? Naintindihan? Again, kapag sinabi natin rational equation, ibig sabihin, meron kayong makikitang equal sign. And also, you can solve the given equation. Kasi nga, or you can check that the given equation is equal. Okay? While doon naman sa rational inequality, ang makikita nyo lang sign are greater than 2, less than 2, not equals to, greater than or equals to, or, and less than or equal to. Okay, kaya nga sinabing inequality, ibig sabihin they are not equal. The given equation or the given rational expression are not equal. And lastly, yung rational function, palagi yung titingnan kung meron bang f of x is equals to or y is equals to. Okay? So ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba and difference between them? We have here, ayan. Sabi dito, rational function and equation and inequalities. Sabi, a rational equation or inequality can be solved for all x values that satisfy the equation or inequality. Siyempre, you can identify whether the given equation is equal or not. Tama? And also, a rational function naman daw, or rational function express a relationship between variables such as x and y and can be represented by the table of values or graph. Okay. Dito naman tayo next. Now, for the next slide, you are going to identify if the given example is a rational equation, rational function, or rational inequality, or none of the above. Okay? Ayan. So again, you are going to determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, or a rational inequality, or none of these. Okay, number 1. Ay, sorry. Nalabas na agad yung ano. Okay, number 1, we have 2 plus x over x minus 1 is equals to 8. Anyone? We have... Ayun, arugay.
Rational equation po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational equation. Okay. Next, number 2. We have x is greater than square root of x plus 2. Garcia.
Rational inequality po.
Rational inequality ba? Tingnan niyo yung expression. Rational expression ba siya or not? Let's have Mamaril.
Rational equation po, ma'am.
Rational equation. Let's have Kamba.
Not rational, ma'am.
Ano?
Not rational expression.
Not a rational expression. So therefore, anong sasagot natin dyan?
None of the above.
Okay, none of this. Bakit none of this? Kasi tignan nyo naman yung equation, hindi siya rational expression kasi merong square root. So, ibig sabihin yan, kapag not a rational expression, so wala sa tatlo. So, none of this yan. Okay? O, nakalimutan na agad kapag rational expression or not. Next, number 3. Oh, we have f of x equals to 6 minus x plus 3 over x squared minus 5. O, nakita.
Rational function po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational function dahil merong f of x. Ano? O, number 4. Celis.
Rational inequality po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational inequality dahil sasabihin na greater than or equal to. Next one. We have x over 2 is equals to 4 over x plus 9x cubed. Peregrino. Ano si Peregrino? Wala?
Po.
Ayun. What's your answer for number 5?
Rational equation po.
Okay, that's correct. Rational equation kasi meron tayong equal sign. Ano? Next. We have f of x equals to the square root of x minus 2. O, Biares. Biares. Nandito ba?
Rational function po.
Rational function. Anyone? O, tingnan niyo muna yung given expression. Whether it is a rational expression or not. O, Sablan.
None of this po.
Okay, bakit none of this?
Kasi may square root.
Okay, that's correct. Merong square root. Okay, lagi niyo muna titingnan if the given is a rational expression or not. Okay? Bago niyo ma-identify kung alin sa tatlo yung given. Okay, about this one. 2x raised to negative 4 is less than or equal to 10x raised to 6. Let's have... Ano pa ba hindi natatawag? Okay, nuevo.
Rational inequality po.
Rational inequality. How about kalinom?
None of this po.
Okay, bakit none of this?
Kasi po may negative exponent.
Okay, that's correct. Kasi merong negative exponent. Ayun lang naman. Okay, so lagi niyo muna titingnan yung expression ha, kung rational expression ba siya or not. Kapag not, automatically, wala yun sa tatlo. Okay, how about this one? We have 3x plus 5, over 5 plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 5x over 5. Okay, let's have here, ano pa ba hindi natatawag? O, Delimos. Peregrino.
Present po.
Usada.
Present po.
Rebustilio.
Present po.
Rica Frente. Rica Frente. Wala. Roblo.